Hey everybody, Mr. Heeb here. I hope you're having a wonderful day. This is the last day of our week, which is exciting, and you have a 4-day weekend, so you don't have to deal with this until next Tuesday, which is great. So what we're going to do today is we're going to read a file from a text file. We're going to read something from a text file that we have already created. So I put in a text file in the assignment for today, and I'm going to show you some specifics on how to download it and what to do with it. Now, when you're doing this on your home computer, I created a folder. So in my folder, I have everything. I have the main program, which I'm calling Team Chooser. That's my Python program. And then I have all of the text files that are dependent on this. So, or I guess this is dependent on those. So everything is in one place. If the program isn't in the same place that the text files are, it's a problem. It can, if you want, it can all be on documents. It can all be in desktop. Everything has to be in the same place. So I like to create my own folder and keep everything in it. And a lot of people do. Alright, so now to our document. So if you open up today's assignment, you may have noticed that there's a mascots.txt file in there. Now this is not the right Google Classroom. This is the Google Classroom that I've created so I can see things from the student perspective. So this would say like Thursday, March 30th. Hopefully it would say something like that. And then it'll say mascots.txt. So I want you to click on that, not on the X, on the actual thing. And you can see that these are mascots. It's all the mascots in college football. And if the name is used often, then it has more of those. You can see there's lots of Blue Devils, Bobcats. Whoa, there's lots of Bobcats, Braves, whatever. So this is a big file. 17,000 team mascots are on here. Nobody wants to type that in on their own. I don't know why I closed out. I need that. All right, so here what I want to do is click on this button and open in a new window. Now that it's opened, I want to download it. And these might be slightly different from computer to computer, but it goes on in the downloads. If I open up my file folders and go to downloads, I have mascots here. That's the file that we want to deal with. And I have the file I want to put it in, oops, right there, Team Chooser. So I'm just going to grab mascots, drag it over to Team Chooser, and if I open it up, there's mascots right there. That's what we need. We need it in the same file as our Python file, or same file folder as our Python file. All right. So now that we have that done, now we got to deal with the coding. The coding is quite easy for this. We're going to do what we did last time. Now we're going to say file4 equals open. This one's called mascots.txt. And if I say no, not now, so I'm copying the previous one. I want to call this mascots. File4.read.splitlines. All right. So now these two lines bring it into the program, so now we can use it. So what I want to do, I made up a couple of these using nouns. Let's turn these all to mascots. So now when I run this, it should pick from all of, so I have the Crusaders, the Wolves, the Twirling Vikings. If I run it again, it's the Fighting Rattlers, Mighty Bears, and the Mighty Falcons. And so you can, so we're taking this big, huge list of 17,000 items, and we're going to read it and randomly pick one of them. I think that's kind of neat. All right, hopefully this works out for you.